Hello everyone and welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about the text tool. Select the text tool in your toolbar and then click or tap anywhere on the screen to insert the text box. When you do this, the text box is a certain size, so if you were to start typing, the text will actually not expand the text box. You would have to click on the cursor icon or tap on the cursor icon again, select the text box, and then increase the size using the handles. So it's better if you can estimate the amount of text that you want to put in your text box. So I'm going to click on this text tool again, and I'm going to click and drag a text box across my screen. Notice that the size of the text box is larger now, and I can type anything that I want to, and it will fit inside that text box. So it's just a good rule of thumb if you can estimate the amount of text you're going to need and then adjust the text box accordingly ahead of time. But it's no big deal if you want to adjust it afterward. Simply click on the cursor and then select the text and change the size of the bounding box. So if you type some text and select the cursor tool and single click on it, notice that your properties don't show up any longer, which means it appears as though your text needs to stay this size, this font, this color. You don't have clone and permaclone or move text to front and back and so forth. You can, however, change the size of the text box. You can delete the text by clicking on the green or tapping on the green X. You can also change the rotation of your text. But if you want to get the properties of your text, you actually have to double click on the text or double tap on the text. Double tapping on the text and then highlighting it gives you the ability to change the font, the color, the size, the boldness, italic, underline, or strike through. You can also change the alignment of that text within the bounding box. You can choose to make it a superscript or subscript. And here's where you'll find bring to front, send to back, lock the text in place, clone it. You can also insert a table, but we'll talk about inserting tables in another video. Most of the time, you'll probably be up in front of your class working on your interactive board. So you might need this keyboard button right here, which will bring up a keyboard that you can then type on by touch using the interactive panel.